Straight up from peace. I'd like to welcome everybody out tonight.
2.
Welcome all the new marathon members
3.
to the experience of a lifetime. I need your hands up, though. Yeah, look, no, I don't want your love. That's not why I make music. I owe myself, I told myself back then that I would do this. And I always looked so out of reach, it just seemed so confusing. So I found my place in life, a young black man that seems so useless. And I don't want no help, just let me suffer through this. The world would not know Jesus Christ if there was never Judas. This knife that's in my back could be the truth that introduced us. And the distance in between us is the proof of my conclusion. So life is what you make it. I hope you make a movement. Hope your opportunity survives the opportunist. And as you walk across the sand, you see my shoe print, and you follow till it change your life, cause it's all evolution. And I hope you find your passion, cause I found mine in this music. But I hope it's not material, cause that's all an illusion. They all in collusion. This racist institutions, double standard, acting like they not the reason why we ruthless. But tonight is my life. This is my moment.
16.
I gotta own it.
20.
Look at where I started and look at where I'm standing. Y'all can say it's luck, but I know that it's planning. Shout out to the pain that gave me understanding. Shout out to my gang, turned me to a savage. So they say what they want to, but I go through what you haven't. And it's not ego driven, it's not me boasting and bragging. This road I chose to go down, hard to slow down when in traffic. In order for me to grow, I had to let go of some habits. And it's good to say I'm on now, cause you see it and it happened. But before it ever did, had to believe and get it cracking. So I'm gonna take you back then, 32 shots in my Mac 10. With a dream minus the means, my early teens was fucking tragic. And deep inside my mind is buried crimes you can't imagine. Gotta wrestle with at night, demons I fight, I can't get past it. So I'm gonna straight your cash, it don't matter if you plastic. We was looking for the lights and all we stumbled across was flashes. But tonight is my night. This is my
32.
moment.
3.
But I gotta own it.
4. 5. 6. 7. 40. 1.
So if it's meant, then it's gonna be. People love it cause they know that this the real me. Cops hate it, so they hope my homies kill. But I ain't want the fame, I just wanted y'all to feel me. It's my time, so I'm going in. We born till we fall, fuck how the story ends. I see these niggas hate, I know you hoes plotting. I ain't worried about it, cause I know God got me. Say, I know God got me. Yeah, I know God got me. Yeah, I know God got me. See, I ain't worried about it, cause I know God got me. Once in a lifetime shit, you know. It's all dedicated to everybody out there with a motherfucking dream. Fuck what they say, do your shit. Marathon, nigga. This shit ain't gonna stop till I say it's gonna stop. It ain't gonna stop till you say it's gonna stop. And it ain't gonna be unless you make it. It's your time, get up on your ass. 10 toes down out here. No. Swear to God, I shed tears in this motherfucking profile. My niggas that's gone. My niggas that can't be here with me. For the ones that ain't. Shout out my beautiful little girl, Imani. Shout out my big bro, Black Saint.
9.
Shout out my nigga Fats. Shout out my bro Adam.
60.
Shout out my brother Williams. You know what this is? It's the motherfucking
61.
marathon. This shit ain't gonna stop, man.
62. 63.
Yeah. You know everybody tells me, man, give it up. It's too late. You're too old. You ain't never gonna make it. You ain't never gonna do shit. You know what I say? Hey, yo, it's better late than never. Build a name you'll all remember. Bring a flame that burns eternal. And the words last forever. It's special when I enter it. This zone is no surrender. From the center of the storm, see my form is ill-tempered. Lyrics is airborne on the storm in December. With the flow and material the critics can't censor. Spinning like a dispenser. Middle finger is the gesture to you haters and you cynics with a snake-like texture. Try to take a flight, but you can't stop the change. Adjustments mandatory on the pavement, switching lanes. It's enslavement all the same since the days of discovery. Study the research and use my verse for recovery. Use the mic responsibly, think before you rhyme. It goes hand in hand like don't drink and drive. Don't blink your eyes or you might miss the punch. In this heavyweight fight, keep it real, no jumps. All that you should know is that I live by the code, making sure I have a positive effect on your soul, treating people with respect from the start of the show, so they value every word that I speak in my flow. Hey yo, I'm breaking through the rescue, listen to the audio, here to liberate emancipate the youth and watch you grow. Terminate the hate and try to wipe it off the globe, but I need a little help, cause I can't do it alone. It takes a lot of troops moving like a rebel fleet, continuous non-stop till the mission's complete. We seek peace, not money, although we hungry and broke. I'd rather die of starvation than live obese in a joke. Yo, I rely on this massive supply of talent and dope, so I don't need any marketing or your thoughts to promote this real hip-hop music because it speaks for itself. Always in constant rotation, it's generational wealth.
$92. 93.
'She's got you.
100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Casa Rosa.